fans this. Alright, are we already going? The new GetaDomTune Cam... Oh, f me. I don't even know where I was going with that one. Today, we're going to be going over the new GetaDomTune Cam Seal Installation tool. This tool is an amazing tool that Dom saw a need for in the market and decided to finally create something that's going to work perfect for shops like us who are putting these engines together all day, every day. Before Dom's tool came out, we were pretty much stuck to our own devices. Shops like us were using these old little plastic, kind of flimsy, cheesy tools that were put out in the market, which were still an outrageous price. The problem with these tools is not only are they expensive, but they wear out super quick. So you could buy a new one, and then if you're a shop like us who does a lot of engines, within a month or two it would already be worn out, it would be broken down, has grooves in it, and just really wasn't doing what you intended for it to do when you purchased this product. If you weren't a shop, I've heard of people using all sorts of crazy things. People have told me that they use electrical tape, deep sockets, or sometimes they just use a punch and a hammer and hope for the best. And none of that's ideal. So what's cool about Dom's tool that sets it apart from every other tool on the market is that Dom was smart enough to create a little guide pin that you can screw into the cam to ensure that every time you're putting your installation tool on there, it's going to be going in perfectly straight and flush and going exactly to where we want it to. That way we don't have seals going in crooked, we don't have them going in sideways, and we're getting the job done right the first time rather than wasting money on replacing the same seal over and over. One of the biggest benefits of this tool is that Dom made it out of aluminum, so it's super strong and durable, which is really important for the little groove part that sits on the front of the cam seal. As you can see from our metal one compared to the plastic one, the seal is very noticeably there. It's not going to be something that's going to easily get worn down or break away, compared to our plastic one, which looks like my dog chewed on it for about 2 weeks before we went to use it. So we're going to put this on an engine, we're going to try it out right now, and let's see how it turns out.
So as Chase mentioned, this is a two-piece tool. Super cool and pretty straightforward here. So you take this guide here, and it screws right into the cam, nice and easy. And just get it nice and snug, you don't have to go too tight on it. And we're going to get our cam seal. Make sure you put them in the right spot. This one is pre-lubed here, so you're just going to slide this on there, get it to where it's nice and snug to start straight, and then the tool is going to slide right over the top and sit like that. And then from there we're just going to take the hammer and slowly tap it in. Alright, and as you can see on the design of the tool, with the pattern on the guide, it makes it nice and easy and slides on straight every time. Also, the nice thing about it is if this is stuck on here and you can't hand loosen it, you can stick the tool back on and you can give it a quick twist and it'll pull it right off for you to take off.